బీబీజీ మీ నిజమైన సంపద.
Hi viewers, welcome to Real Estate TV HD. In Real Estate TV, we have seen so many ventures which are DTCP and HMDA approved ventures. But now, today, we are going to see a YTDA approved venture which is in the premises of Yadagiri Gutta, which is located at nearby to Temple City. So for that reason, we have started our journey from exit number 9 Outer Ring Road, which is Gatkesar exit, and we are going to travel on the Warangal Highway. And along the updates on the Warangal Highway, we are going to see in this video, and also the new venture which is developed by BBG. The venture is prestigious Akshita venture. Today, the venture is grandly launched. So we shall see all those details. So let's start our journey from this. And especially one more thing is, so to reach this place from city, we can reach through Uppal, and in Uppal they are constructing elevated corridor. If that work is completed, from there we can reach to this place within 15 minutes. So the journey would be very easy and very comfortable. Okay, and also through this outer ring road you can easily come to this location. If you come from any other way in the city, you can get down in the exit number 9 and reach the venture. We all know that in Uppal we have metro train, and that metro train is going to be extended to Yadadri via Gatkesar in future. So those works are also being done very soon. BB Nagar while traveling on the Warangal Highway. BB Nagar, if we speak about BB Nagar, we first get to notice the AIIMS, that is All India Medical Sciences. Here in the first phase, the developments have been completed, and medical services are also providing now to the many people surrounding this area. And the second phase is also going to be started. The budget has also allocated by the government. And if once all those works have been completed, once after completion of the second phase, this would be like a famous medical hub in the Hyderabad. So this is about the BB Nagar, and we shall continue our journey on Warangal Highway, and let's see further updates. As we are traveling on Warangal Highway, we now just reached the Bhongir, and you can see back of me, this is Bhongiri Killa, the famous historical place, and industrial corridor is just backside this Bhongiri. This is Yadadri Bhongiri district headquarters, and after becoming the district headquarters, this Bhongiri has developed very drastically, and industrial park is also there backside the Bhongiri. And many developments are being done in this area, and Madaram IT Hub is also very nearby. Many people visit this place and also this highway. So this is becoming a hot cake, we can say, regarding real estate and also industrial purpose. So now we are traveling on Warangal Highway. Just we have taken a left and we are on the way to Yadagiri Gutta. But before going to Yadagiri Gutta, we have just stopped here. Just have a look. This is Surendrapuri Kunda Satyanarayana Kaladhamam. It is very famous pilgrim center, we can say, because in this we can see many gods and goddesses idols, and also many storytelling idols like Mahabharata, Ramayana, epics. So if we want to tell our next generation about our history about her Ramayana and Mahabharata, we can bring our children to this place and we can feel that. We can see all the idols representing all this Mahabharata and Ramayana. So this is very famous, we can say it as, and it is very nearby to Yadagiri Gutta. We can see Yadagiri Gutta from this place, my right side. So without any delay, we shall go to that place. Come on. Finally, we have reached the Yadagiri Gutta temple. You can see back of me the prestigious, the historical place. This is a famous pilgrim center. Many devotees around the city, outside the city are coming to visit this place, and in the evenings this temple will be more beautiful with all the lighting. So for the sake of people who are coming to this temple, for their convenience, the government has taken many measures like MMTS is already there near Raigiri. Bus stop is also there. We have seen it while we are on the way, and they are developing one more bus terminal which is very big for the convenience of the customers, and also metro rail is also going to be extended from Uppal to this Yadagiri Gutta, so that people can move very fast. And also for the VIP devotees, there is also special cottages available, and they are also available for normal devotees also. So people who are willing to stay at night, they can use these cottage facilities also. And right side you can see the helipad. If any VIP is willing to come to this place in helicopter, they can use that helipad. And backside that helipad there is a reservoir, that is Bhaspapur reservoir. So these are the key points in this Yadagiri Gutta. This makes our venture very like hot cake, because the venture is very close nearby to all these places. And also for the convenience of the devotees who come to this Yadagiri Gutta, they are proposing to develop a regional ring road surrounding this temple, and 100-bedded medical hospital is already there now, and they are going to develop a medical college for the convenience of the devotees and the people surrounding this area. So this temple, the helipad, and also the Baswapur reservoir, all these are making this place as an international tourism hub. So while it, we shall go to the venture and see all the details. Yadagiri Gutta towards Kisaragutta on 4-way road, we have just travelled and reached Mallapur, and right side you can see the venture which we are going to explore today, that is BBG's prestigious project Akshita. So today they are launching this venture. So let's go inside and see all the details, developments clearly. Let's go. So finally we reached the venture and entered into the venture. From Yadagiri Gutta to Kisaragutta on the way, 150 feet road, that is 4-way road. We just travelled on the road and we just reached this venture. Coming to this venture, this is a 100-acre project developed by BBG, and this venture is Akshita. And in this Akshita, today they are doing a launching program also going on. So let's see that. So coming to the venture details, this Akshita venture is a 100-acre venture, whereas in first phase they are developing 42 acres. In this 42 acres they are giving all the amenities. So coming to this venture, this is a YTDA and RERA approved venture. And coming to the developments, the most important thing we need to speak is 100 feet road. Here it is going to be developed, and this is CC road. And in this 100 feet road, in the middle of this, there would be a canal and surrounded by landscape and street lights. After development, it would be very, very beautiful. Here we can see a grand entry arch in this area to be constructed, and also they are providing 100% Vastu. You can see over here, this venture is totally 100% Vastu and clear title. This is YTDA and RERA approved venture. So spot registration is also available and also bank loan is also provided. So you can buy the plot in this very happy. So in the developments we can see the curbing stones which are 60 mm paver power blocks and which would be coming at the footpaths. You can see over there they are maintaining very good quality and all these curbing stones are constructed or developed in this area only. You can see over there they are manufacturing on their own. You can see all the manufacturing products over there. Now here we can see the pipeline, that is the sewage pipeline, which is a first quality pipeline they are providing, and 6 to 8 inches the pipe is provided. You can see for every plot they are providing a individual manhole, which is rare. Many people doesn't provide this. Only we are providing. The company is saying this word, and that too with new brick and also with FRP, which is a 5-ton capacity. You can see the quality also. They are also providing the cement electric poles of 9 meters height with aerial bounced AB power cables, and also they are providing electric street lights. They are providing avenue plantation with drip irrigation facility. They are providing drinking water supply for every individual plot. They are also providing designer park with boundary walls. Total, the entire venture is surrounded with the boundary wall with RCC columns and plinth beam, proper gradient for storm water rounded through the nala. They are also providing beautiful children play area for children. Here in this venture they are also providing rainwater harvesting pits for further water irrigation. They are also giving the numbering plotting stones, you can see. So coming to the plot sizes, they are providing 113 square yards to 330 square yards. Different types of sizes are available. So according to the budget, you can plan your plot. And you can see this is 100% Vastu. From October onwards, they are also providing bank loans. So who are willing to purchase a plot through bank loans, they are also happily invited. So yes, we have seen all the developments inside this venture, that is BBG prestigious venture Akshita, and on the way also we have seen many specifications like temple and surrounded things. All the developments we are seeing and we are coming on the way, and also now we shall see few more important developments surrounded this venture. First, we shall speak about Tribal R, which is just 1.5 kilometers away from this venture, and also the temple Goshala is just 2.5 kilometers away from this venture, and the famous Kisara temple is just 30 kilometers away from this venture, and also the Gandamalla reservoir is 15 kilometers away from this venture, and 1000 acres Srini construction venture is also very nearby, and 80 acres proposed Saubhagya Resorts project is also nearby to this venture.
The company says that the price in this venture could be increased to 1 lakh per square yard in future, as this venture is located nearby to Yadagirigutta and also very nearby to the temple village, and also it is located very nearby to tourism hub. The other ventures which are beside and nearby BBG Akshita, the price in those ventures are 30,000 per square yard, whereas in BBG Akshita, the price per square yard is just 17,499 and it is a launching offer. So if you are interested to book your dream plot in BBG Akshita, hurry up.
We shall meet in another venture. Until then, keep watching Real Estate TV HD. Bye.
బీబీజీ మీ నిజమైన సంపద.